Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be building in Node.js and Express Restful API. Uh, this is a 1-day build and it's a REST API for jokes. So with that said, let's get started. First I'll start out by initializing my project using npm init. I'll go ahead and install the Express package and the UID package, which I won't actually use in this video, more of that later. Next I'll set up my server using index.js. Next I'll create my jot.json and my jot.js to my directory, and I'll be using my jot.json to store data in place of an actual database, which is perfectly fine for the scope of this video. Now my jot.js, I'll handle requests to my jot route, and I can achieve this by using the Express router middleware. Now over in my index.js, all I have to specify that my jot route is handled by my router in jot.js. Now it's time to actually perform some Crud operations. First I'll start by defining two get routes. First one will put a random jot, and the second one will put a jot based on any pass in the parameters. Quick detour, I actually didn't record myself doing the second route, but I used the find function to find the element in the jot.json, and I set an error if the ID wasn't there. Next, with the help of Stack Overflow, I generate a random index and send the jot back as a response. So a random jot will be generated every time the user calls this specific path. Now it's time to finish my CRUD operations, post, patch, and delete. I'll first start with the post request, which I'll need the body of the request to create, so I use the URL encoded middleware to parse the request body. So finally it was just a matter of pushing the data to the JSON list and sending a response back to the user. Also, because I'm creating out the brightest, I thought I was going to use the UID package to store my IDs, but I realized I could just store the ints. Instead, I really think that was a missed opportunity, but I'm probably going to use it in another build or actually update this project in the future to actually use it. So be on the lookout for that. Subscribe. I don't know. Next, I created the delete and update routes, which basically do as they said, and delete and update data with a certain ID. Finally, I create one more route handler to get all jots and get all jots of a certain type, which is super easy. And I'll just let that video play out right now. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. You can find the links to my GitHub and the GitHub of this project in the video description. Like and share for all my stupid mistakes so that you don't make them in the future. And let's see you in the next video. Peace out.